So we're gonna do this nice and easy. Say you got a lawnmower like I've got here, regular old push mower, and for some reason, when you crank it up, it seems to bog down a little bit, or it doesn't want to crank at all. So one of the few tips that we're gonna check is first you're gonna check your air filter. It's gonna be inside this little box. As we can see, mine's pretty dirty. So first thing we're gonna do is replace this. But since we're already going to the parts store and you're getting this filter from it, which goes inside there, your carburetor's right back here. This is your little button that you can press and get it primed up. We're also going to do the spark plug. Now, I'm going to get this off real fast. So there's your spark plug. There's your spark plug wire. This runs up into a coil pack. We'll get to that later. But for right now, we're going to focus on this, which is the spark plug. So, a lot of people don't have an abundance of tools. So, everybody's got at least a pair of pliers. So we'll use the pair of pliers for this one. You're gonna grab this pair of pliers, and it's not gonna be easy. You're gonna have to finagle it a little bit, but you can get it broken loose in just a little bit of time and effort. See here, even with that little rusty pair of pliers, call it your grandpa's tools, you can get the spark plug loose. Now remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty, guys. So if you're looking at the lawnmower this way, you're going to turn like this. We're going to go ahead and get that off. So now the spark plug's out. So spark plug looks pretty decent. Of course, it's used. As long as you don't have a huge gap in between there and the igniter. And it looks pretty good all the way around. It's pretty good and solid. The spark plug's not going to be the issue. It's going to be that dirty air filter. Because it'll still crank up, it just won't run properly. Now, if you did have any fouling, which I'll show you in another video what those are. If it looks about like this, your spark plug's good. Don't worry about it. Go ahead and get you that air filter and put everything back together. So remember, this spark plug goes into this hole here. And this, which is your coil pack plug, will plug right back onto it. It just goes on top of it just like this. And make sure you hear it click.
I'm so proud to be your dad.